What up? It's your girl Jonah here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today will be a review on this hair that I got from this hair company called BGMgirl Hair, also known as Black Girl Magic Hair. This is the box the wig came in. Right? The shipping, I think it took almost like a week to get to the location that I sent them. So what came in the box is they provided us with a card, right? They provided us with some mink eyelashes, guys. If y'all buy hair from hair companies or get hair from hair companies, the eyelashes that they usually put in the box are some ugly, cheap looking plastic eyelashes. Like, it looks so terrible. Like, nobody can wear that, nobody. But these guys, these are wearable. You might catch me wearing them, to be honest. Okay, and then they provided us with a wig cap. So this is a packaging that the hair came in, and for the wig. Okay, so guys, this wig is a 13x4 loose deep wave wig. It's in 180% density and it's in the length 26 inches. Okay, so let me give you guys like a look of inside the caps. Okay, all right, so this is how the lace looks, right? We get two combs on the side and we have one comb inside, and we have a next comb at the back, and there is also some lace at the back of the wig as well. Let me allow you guys to look at the hairline. So this is how the hairline looks. So in my opinion, the hairline is pre-plucked, but as you could see, the knots are still visible, so that means the knots weren't bleached. But that's okay because I'm gonna go and bleach the knots myself, as well as I'm gonna be dyeing this hair jet black doing the watercolor method. Okay, but let me allow you guys to see the color and the texture of this hair. So like I said, this is how the loose deep wave texture looks, and as you could see, the color, it's a very dark brown color. I believe you would call it natural black, but like I said, dark brown, natural black, whatever you want to call it, that is not my color. I like my wigs jet black, so like I said, I'm gonna be dyeing this wig jet black. But overall, so far, straight out of the package, I like it. The hair is soft and I'm so excited to try this hair. And I forgot to mention, this hair is from Sunbird Hair. If you'd like to see my review on this hair, it is coming, guys, I promise. But this video is so long because I did so much to this wig. The whole customization process will be in this video, guys. How exciting is that? The full customization process. And thank you, BGMgirl Hair, for sending me this wig. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Okay guys, so stay tuned to see how I install this wig, and let's go. basically all I did was remove the scarf off and use some water to kind of fix up the edges, but as you could see, some parts aren't as laid as I wanted, so I'm getting this got to be glued and I'm just gonna apply it to the hairline. Since I'm kind of happy with it, I'm just gonna get some powder. I'm just gonna put it like on my forehead. So keep recording this over and over, but I believe I'm happy with how this turned out. I mean, you could probably see the kind of demarcation on the camera. Yeah, I mean, I could fix that, but I don't think I really have the time, so I'm just gonna get into more like styling this hair. I'm just gonna wet it. Overall, I'm so happy with this wig. Like, I love the texture, I love how it blends in with my scalp. It wasn't hard to blend. I love that it came pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck this hairline. All I did was bleach the lace, and then I just used watercolor method in getting this hair black. I did experience shedding, but I would say that is due to the bleaching process, because when you bleach the knots of the wig, it kind of loosens the knots, and so it's easier for the hair to be removed from the lace, right? So I wouldn't say it's because of the hair itself why it was shedding, but all I did was, after I did the watercolor method, I washed I did a co-wash with the hair, comb it out while it was wet, let it dry. I did not comb through the curls, the waves or whatever after it was dry. So this is the type of curl pattern you would get with this hair after it is wet, which I'm so in love with. This hair is amazing. Like I said, it's a 13x4 wig. It's in 180% density and it's in the length 26 inches. So I'll probably just insert a clip showing you guys the length of this hair. Let's talk about shipping. The shipping for this hair, I believe it took about a week, so the shipping was not long, which was good. So overall, oh yeah, and the wig itself, it is big head friendly. I have a big head, I know I have a big head, and I have a lot of hair, so as opposed to when I did the wig that I wore in the intro of this vid. It was not big head friendly because my hair at the back was so hard to tuck under, and even when I tried to tuck it under, it did not completely fit under, so that wasn't a plus. But this wig, everything's under, everything's secure, right? Yeah, everything's under, everything's secure. You have lace at the back as well to play with. I can't really speak about tangling because, like I said, I only combed it through while it was wet. Overall, I 100% recommend this hair. Like, I'm telling you guys, I am so in love. The hair is amazing.